decided to get up today, guys. I'm gonna clean this car up. I just cleaned up my truck and I washed the old lady's Audi. So just trying to get up, get some stuff done, guys. I've been real busy on the house, working on the crib. What up, baby? You alright? What you doing? You gonna ride today?
Yeah. I was supposed to take Jimmy a tire, but
Oh yeah?
I told him twice to send me his address.
Yeah?
My mom was way out there, I don't know where.
A low pro tire or what? Yeah.
Where his blades.
Oh, okay.
Trying to take it to him.
Yeah.
I called him twice. I called him. I didn't even text him.
Yeah.
He said, I'm going to send it to you.
Yeah.
Rolling around with a tire.
Damn. I'm gonna wipe it off a little bit. I just cleaned my truck and washed her car. I'm gonna dust it off and probably hit a few blocks. Been sitting in there getting dusty.
Yeah. I ain't broke a stud already.
It was already broke. I got the stud, but when I was hammering it out, I couldn't get it out.
Oh.
Yeah, I got the stud in there. I was just like, it'll be alright. I ain't gonna do no burnouts. Yep.
What are you doing next weekend?
I don't got nothing planned.
Saturday night?
What you doing?
We're going downtown and
Pull over there.
we're gonna do like a photo shoot with all the cars.
Oh yeah?
Trying to do it at nighttime since everybody always does it during the day.
Yeah.
That way it feels better too. And try to get in the parking garage.
Yeah.
Do it like Fast and the Furious style.
Right.
You know?
Yeah. You wash yours today?
I just wiped it down.
You wiped it down, yeah.
I washed it 2 days ago.
Yeah.
Yeah, I went through that Rose parking lot last night.
Yeah.
Just
to ride through there.
The person I was with, they wanted to go past through there. All them potholes in that.
Oh yeah.
God dang, I scraped my exhaust on the white car. I scraped my exhaust and all that stuff.
Hey, you go through that parking lot, it's stupid.
Hey, but then there's all that dirt in that parking lot.
Yeah.
Man, I was blowing dirt from the dump.
Yeah, because they shoot down.
There's dirt all over everybody, bro.
Yeah, I know it.
And this girl was like, why you coming through here blowing up? I pressed play on my music and
dirt flying everywhere.
Like somebody was doing a burnout.
Yeah. My orange one used to be like that, and then I cut that dump off, man, because I used to ride through and it'd be blowing out of dirt. I just did these straight out.
Hey, put the boom tubes on this thing.
Yeah, they just straight out, man. Huh?
The boom tubes?
No.
Like the NASCAR exhausted.
Oh, okay.
They're like
Yeah.
this long.
Yeah.
They make that like zippiness like
Yeah.
the NASCAR.
Yeah. Okay.
That space right there.
Yeah. The muffler's right there. Let's see, I did.
Yeah.
I didn't even put.
That's how mine is on this one.
I welded all that myself. I had some little chrome tips on there and facing out so it wouldn't dump and blow dirt.
Yeah, mine are right there, but I got a tip on it.
Yeah.
Yeah, make it go over.
Yeah.
And then put the boom to it.
Yeah, I'm a cruiser real quick. Did you ride through the park?
Not yet. I don't think anybody be out there right now.
Probably not.
I don't know. I went by this one.
Oh.
They said that's for the low ride. It's supposed to be there at 3. Wasn't nobody there.
Yeah. The spokes still good? Yeah. Damn, Caprice. Heck yeah. Yes, sir. I didn't know you had the Caprice deals on there.
Yeah, I had to put them on there.
Oh, okay.
Because the last knockoffs, they were the smooth ones, but they had the 2 wings.
Yeah.
And I had to take my rims off, and I broke the ears on it.
Oh,
so
okay.
I ordered these stronger ones.
And these got, is them locks?
Yeah, they are locked. I just don't got none of them in there.
Yeah, so you tighten it up and then you lock that down, right?
Don't tell YouTube I don't got none in there.
Nah, yeah. Hell yeah. That's what's up. Yeah, you probably ride for a minute.
Yeah.
Go around, check everything out.
She said, hey mom, day job, I don't feel it. I need race car, top down to match my ceiling. I don't have none.
Ain't nothing like driving these old schools, y'all. Nothing like it. Let me turn this out so it don't go dead. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We're gonna jump out real quick, see what my partner got going on. And just chill. I mean, we just chilling today. Just chilling today. We got her out. That blue is hitting. That blue is hitting now. From that side, huh? Nah, it's cause see the sun right there. Like that blue hit. Look at the hood. See, look right there. You can see it hitting. Yes, sir. And then this the one he building this one right now. I think I already showed y'all, but he building it, so I need to give him the other car cover, and then he got that one too. But yeah, I'm gonna holler at him, y'all, real quick, and then we'll cruise on back to the crib. It really wasn't nobody. We usually cruise this park. There wasn't nobody out there, so probably just go back. Make sure everything good on the car though. I think we rubbing a little bit, honestly, but
I think it's on your side.
it's on my side, huh? See, this side ain't rubbing. Nah, it ain't this side. It's on my side. I need to adjust. Ooh, don't get dirty though. I need to adjust something. See, nah, that tire ain't. That tire is kind of hot. I don't like the inside. Is it hitting? See, it might be hitting. No, it's not on the frame, no. That might be that side then. Cause I don't feel. It could be hitting that. It's a piece right here. Nope. I need to find it though. I think it's on that side. I think you're right. It's on this side. I bet you it's where that tire go up there to the top. She hitting somewhere. Oh, I found it.
What?
She hitting the very top.
Oh.
Yep. So I gotta push that in or something. Yeah. I mean, it's not bad, but all right, guys. Let me holler at him real quick.
Now he knows it's too hot out here for all this. Daddy be tripping.
How much they charge? $450? That ain't bad. That bit do sound good. That sound good. That must sound good though. You drove it up there, you told it. Oh. Oh, yeah, the trailer. Yeah.
But yeah, man, I'm finna change out the carburetor.
Yeah.
You know, a quick fuel. This ain't get a quick fuel.
Yeah. A quick fuel good.
It's already set, right? Everything.
Yeah.
So that just on it. But he thought I had put a quick fuel on it. He said, man, stop buying the bullshit ass carburetor. Don't get you a quick fuel.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
What you got on there right now? The Holly Street Fighter or whatever?
Yeah, I got that
Okay.
Yeah, but
So you gonna go with the quick fuel?
yeah.
Yeah.
Because that's garbage. Y'all got on there?
Yeah.
Garbage out.
Yeah. Nah, that sound good. Yeah, if you want to, come get that. That's a big ass tarp.
Yeah.
And we can keep it covered up.
I got a quarter pounder coming. I'm going to cut that out.
Yeah, cut that side off.
Yeah, because we ain't do all that all night.
Yeah. You found one?
Yeah, they ain't number $2 on mine. Fuck them.
Yeah, just cut it out and then. Yeah.
It ain't bad. It ain't too bad where you can fix this.
You can, yeah.
It's not raggedy at all.
No, it ain't bad.
I just don't want to do nobody.
Right. Yeah, just cut it out and weld that other one on there and you good. Yeah. It's not bad. A little more work on it, it'll be good. Get that out. Get this flat.
What?
That wasn't there. Cause remember we were working on it. That's new.
Yeah.
Somebody whiskey bumped that. Like, oh man, he gonna paint it anyway.
Yeah.
No, don't come in the house, don't say nothing at all or nothing. Nah, yeah, it's gonna be ready. And put them wheels on
Raise
here.
that front up.
Yeah.
Raise that front up, drop the wheels up on there.
Heck yeah.
It's gonna really give it and bring it out. Once you raise that front up on this son of a bitch, it's gonna bring this up the joker up.
Yeah.
It's gonna bring it out.
Yeah. Yeah, you couldn't even turn. Nah, they ain't.
So they're messing up there. They're messing up there.
On the corner of.
Customer.
Yeah.
I called him and he said he'd been sick, so he'll try to see if he could find one. He said might be the seals. He said that's common.
Yeah, the seals is gone out of it. The pumps don't never break. It's just the seals.
Where you get the rims in, man?
I ordered them.
From where?
One of my guys here, he sell rims.
How much you pay for about 6, 7?
7,000. He say no.
What happened to the other rims you had?
I still got them, but they too big. You don't want
Too
them.
big for my son?
They 28.
Oh no.
Just taking my son riding real quick. What's going on?
Baba?
Yeah. Alright guys, ride was successful. Really no issues. I think we just rubbing on that side like I said. And then we stopped at my buddy's house and chopped it up with him. He make homemade sausage, so I'm gonna go grab me a couple of bags. I think I'm gonna go ahead and pull the Corvette out, go ahead and clean it up. I've been neglecting all the cars. El Camino covered up. Yeah, we'll probably pull it out, put a little bit. Everybody pulling up today. My boy just pulled up. He got his system done. He got sundown 8s, custom box, 8s in the doors. Yeah, you play it. Look, that's clean.
Yo nunca ando de presumido, los dólares a mí me protegen. Mando de Estados Unidos, Culiacán yo soy el rey. Y por mí si no me paseo muy tranquilo. Poder ha cruzado fronteras, por eso el gobierno a mí me busca. No sé dónde me andarán buscando.
It's clear. God dang, it's clear. That sounds good. Hell yeah.
Probably one more ace or two more.
Maybe, yeah. That's good, that's good, yeah.
Yeah, but they close the door.
Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna probably go watch the Corvette and go cruising. Cruising for a little bit.
No, parking in the Florida?
No. Probably just cruising. Yeah. No, it's good. It sounds real good.
This is a little ace.
Yeah, mine is small in there too.
In the back of the door, 6.5.
Oh, really? Oh, okay.
8.
Yeah, it's 4. Yeah. That's good. I need to change out the doors though. I haven't changed them. It's deep though. Maybe like. Yeah. Oh, okay. Alright guys, the Escalade wouldn't start, so I'm gonna go ahead and end the video there, man. Like I said, ain't been on here in a while. I apologize guys, but you know, I've been busy working on the house. I should have showed y'all some of that stuff, but got the man cave all hooked up. I've been working on the yard, getting everything painted in the house. Just really doing a lot of work. And I didn't know if y'all really wanted to see that stuff, so. But Escalade wouldn't start, so we'll mess with the Corvette another day. We have fun in the Buick, just rolling her around, and man, that blue was hitting. Now it's getting cloudy and you can't see it. Now it's like more of a green. It don't do the camera don't do no justice, but y'all already know the routine. It's Custom Instinct. We'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.